Okay, so we have to reach down inside this hole in the back to find the plugs to plug the back box assembly into the rest of the stuff in the cabinet. One of the things I want to remind people of is a lot of times these machines, they have not been cleaned for a really long time. A lot of stuff kind of accumulates in the bottom of the cabinet. When you lift it up on its back to move it, all of that garbage ends up kind of at the back of the cabinet in the corner. And I'm bringing this up because one of the last ones that I did, there was a broken light bulb in there, a glass light bulb. I stuck my hand in there and firmly embedded it in my finger. So before you go digging around down here, you can vacuum it out, or just as you're reaching down in here, just kind of be careful because you never know what you're going to find. So let's see if we can get that. The heck is that?